if you would like to do a boxplot in R, you use the function boxplot. And here's an example of a simple boxplot. It's the warfarin dose per genotype group for the weak or C1 gene. So firstly, we read in the warfarin dataset and put it in the object G, and then we write boxplot, $d$dose, and then the tilde sign, and then $weak or C1.A. And this is how the graph looks. Here we have the patients with 0 mutations in the weak or C1.A gene with 1 and with 2. And here is the median warfarin dose, the interquartile range, and these whiskers, they show the outliers up to 1.5 times the interquartile range. And then all subjects outside that range will be marked as outliers, as you can see here. If you want to make the plot a little bit more good looking, you could add some arguments. So here's the same box plot, and it's the $dose, tilde, $weak or C1A. And then we add the group names, which is BB, AB, and AA. And then we have the X lab, the label on the X-axis, which is weak or C1. And then we have the Y lab, which is the warfarin dose in milligrams per week. And then we add the argument CEX equals 1.2. And in this case, this will give us bigger circles for the outliers. And then we also add the colors, col equals, in this case, corn silk 3. And it gives the colors of the boxes. And here on this axis, the underlying coding for the factors specifies the orders. And this we could have reversed by setting the factor levels to levels C210 instead. And here's another example of a box plot. It's the same box plot, but we have also added the gender in the box plot. So we write box plot, $dose, and then tilde, $sex, and $weak or C1A. And then in this case we add color, and then we make a vector of what color we want. So we want to replicate red, dark orange, and yellow. And we want to replicate each of these 2 times. So we get red, red, dark orange, yellow, yellow. So here we have the females with 0 mutations, males with 0, and so on.